What is up, guys? Today we will be doing Microwave It episode 3. We have 4 chip bags. Well, not all chip. We got 1 Dorito, 1 goldfish, another goldfish right there, and another Dorito inside of that. So we got 4. And Colin's here.
Once again.
And my brother's over there somewhere.
Yeah.
Sure.
Well, it smells good in
Timmy,
there.
the microwave cleaned up a tiny bit, not really, but let's put it in there
And then
close it. And I say 10 seconds.
Let's do it.
Oh, got some like sparks or something.
It's like shrinking. You can't really see it.
Alright.
It's the
Open it
end.
up. Ooh. Don't touch it, don't touch it.
It's hot.
It'll melt. No, it'll
Guys,
melt.
do not do this at home. Yes, do it. Please.
In case it's like melty on my hands.
It is.
Ooh, feels kind of squishy.
I guess
Oh.
it is. Get it out and put it on this thing.
Get it out here. Oh, sorry guys. Looks fine now.
Looks
It
strong.
shrunk a lot. Like
Oh my gosh, look.
here's
It's
my
4
hand.
things. It's 4 bags put together.
Like that's the size of it. It's shrunk a lot.
Those 4 things.
It's not as hard as it will get. Like once it hardens, once it sits out, you can kind of see Doritos. Can I see the Doritos thing there? On the back.
There's Spain.
Little piece of goldfish fin, dude. Well, guess that's episode 3 of Microwave It. Leave a comment, like it, subscribe. Comment down below what we should do next. And thanks for watching.